make these tasty and healthy pancakes that will help you with your PCOS also, take 2 eggs, whisk them well. You can take more eggs. I am telling you the recipe for 2 people. The more you whisk your eggs, the fluffier your pancakes will be. Anyway, add your flaxseed meal, half a cup. It's just ground flaxseed. To this, add some milk. You can use coconut milk or almond milk if you are going dairy free. If on your hormonal profile you are estrogen deficient, then you can use soya milk, because soya milk is a great source of estrogen. Then for the flavor, add cinnamon, some vanilla essence, salt and baking powder, and sweetener of your choice. I am using stevia. You can use any other keto friendly sweetener or even honey if you don't want it to be keto friendly. Now give it a good mix, and just like that your pancake batter is ready. It will not take more than 5 minutes in the morning to prepare these pancakes. Now add your extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil or whatever oil you want on your pan and heat it up. And I'm using these silicone molds which are heart shaped to make heart shaped pancakes. You can make round pancakes on any pan. Just make sure the flame is low, and it will take about 10 minutes and you will see these bubbles on the top of your pancakes. This means your pancakes are ready. They are thoroughly cooked. Now lift your pancake and see if the bottom is red enough. Now take it off the pan and your pancakes are ready. You can enjoy them like this, or you can add some homemade strawberry jam or honey in between your pancakes. And as you can see, I have just used flaxseed meal, that is ground up flaxseed. If you are in the follicular phase of your cycle, you can mix up like 1/4 cup flax seeds and 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, grind them up. You can use like half cup of these seeds. Or if you are in your luteal phase, that is day 15 to day 28th of your cycle, then you can use sesame seeds and the sunflower seeds, both in 1/4 cup ground up. That will make half a cup of ground up seeds. And I've already made a video on the supplements that you can use for your Pcos and to improve your fertility, and I regularly prescribe them to my patients during consultations. But the thing is, I like my patients to eat the foods that are conducive to their health. So even if they are taking these supplements, they should be eating foods that are healing their disease. And your medicines and your supplements will also perform better if your food is good. And see, that's why I gave a recipe for 2 people. Okay, anyone can eat these pancakes, even if they are not suffering from PCOS or infertility. Your husband, your in-laws, your children, they can all eat these pancakes. These are good for health. And as you can see, I have put strawberry chia seed jam in between my pancakes. I've also taught how to make this strawberry chia seed jam. It is really easy. You have to subscribe to our channel to view the recipes. We specifically focus on easy and healthy recipes that you can whip up in no time. See, alongside the pancakes in the glass there is kefir strawberry milk. This is basically kefir milk, is a type of fermented milk that is wonderful for your health. And I've just put strawberry jam in it and it has become like strawberry kefir milk. Anyway, you have to make these pancakes and let me know how they turned out. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.